Yeah, red button.
What is up, guys? Today, we're doing a video, and right now, my dad is this trying to, like, why is he smiling?
What are we making? You remember?
We're making a volcano.
It's a mini volcano.
Yeah.
This is our test run.
Cause
right?
look, guys.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay.
But we're not still inside, guys.
Yeah. That's all right. You ready?
Yep. It already exploded.
Volcano test number 1.
It's getting kind of blurry.
Look.
Oh! Well, it's white.
Yeah, I think we're going to have to figure out what we need more of.
Yeah, I don't know.
I think the more we add, the more it'll go.
I don't know what to do,
See?
but here's a proper.
Look at that. What do you think? Is that a success?
Well, I'm trying to find my popper where I put it.